It is a waterfall. Starting off as just a little drizzle when we were watching TV. And now look. Give me one sec. I'll show you the streets. There's a lizard on our window. But otherwise, look. It is like storming out. Poor lizard. I'll zoom in for you. I would go outside and show you, but it's storming. Wow. It is raining. My dog is scared. Sorry, it's so dark. Scared puppy. Yeah. It is like storming out. It's already flooded. It's only been like a couple minutes. Oh, the puppies are scared. Guys, while I'm playing, I'm watching on the mouse right now. But otherwise, I want to show you something. My dad and me decided to paint my ordinary room. So he said, I wanted to get it this color. I think it'd look great. Leave a comment down below. See which one's great. See which one looks best with my wall. And the one with most votes gets it. So first one we have here is Bermuda Bay. That's the first one. Second one we have right here is called Sea of Turquoise. And then this one right here is called glittering teal. So leave a comment down below, see which one looks best. So I decided to get a nice little wolf, because I'm a big wolf fan, and put it on my wall. As you see, I'm showing you pictures of wolves, and they're my favorite animal. So I asked my dad to paint a picture of a wolf on my wall. So he said, okay. Here's some pictures that he took. I bought that. So got it. And here's our progress so far. We might do the grade today, or next week. Every day you'll get progress, and I'll show you when it's done. Like every time it gets progress, I'll go ahead and videotape it. And please remember to leave a comment down below for which one you think is best. And please like this video for more videos. This video is dedicated to my brother Vinny, who was so stubborn. He's still in Indiana. Well, bye guys. See you later. Leave a comment down below. See which one's best for my room. And please subscribe. Bye.